Okay, I've found you some deals and some coupons that I think might be of interest to you, and also there's a massive giveaway at the end of the video as well. So let's get started. Now, for those of you who are not familiar, and perhaps not everyone is familiar with how these things work, basically this bit area here is known as the description area. So usually you'd have a description of what was in the video, but with this particular video and this style of video, there's links here that take you straight through to the products that I'm mentioning and going through. This obviously isn't the video that I'm talking about now. This is one I did at the end of last year. If you've only got a couple of things showing, and it usually shows 3 lines, you just need to click here for show more, and then it will show all of the different ones. And this works on everyone's channel. There's usually loads of information. We all stick down the bottom there, and a lot of people don't even know where it is. So hopefully that'll help to start with. Let's get on with those coupons. So there's an area here, again, click it through on the link called coupons and vouchers, and that will bring you through to this page, and then basically just scan down and just see whatever grabs your eye. There's all sorts of deals here. The one that caught my eye was the little JJRC H8 Mini, great little drone. And then what you do is you click the discover deals. Now I've already activated this. Once you've activated, you've got 72 hours to then buy it, or just let it go, let it lapse. You're not committing yourself to buying it with these by any means. But if I click on it, it's going to say you've already got the code. So basically it knows that, and it knows on your account what you're doing. Once you've done it normally, for the first time, sorry, you will then click on, and then this changes to go to link, and that will take you straight through to the JJRC link, which is basically here. And as you can see, it's coming in at $11.99. I'm going to add that to my cart, and then I'll just show you how this code works. So we come through to here, and you don't have to remember anything, copy and paste or anything like that. You just simply click here and it will give you the options, and these are 2 codes that I'd picked out, and I'll show you the other one in a second. Simply click on there, and then it drops the price down to $9.99, which is about £7 something or other. So I think it's a really good price. I'm going to take that out, and again, you can do this. So you've selected this, and then just delete the selection, and that will get rid of it. So you're not committed to buy anything with any of these things at all, and only buy what you want to buy. Talking about buying what you want to buy, let me show you the other one that really caught my eye. I mean, these are good little deals if that's what you're after. If you keep scanning down, there's all sorts of discounts on all sorts of things, watches, jewelry, everything, but this is the one that caught my eye. 20% discount on your whole RC order, and again, it's only to the China warehouse, and you've got 2 days to decide once you click the discover deals. Again, I'll show you, it already knows that I've done that, and I did it a few hours ago when I was playing around looking for these deals. So that's already allocated to my account, so that's already there. So I'm going to pick something nice, big and beefy, something I really like. So you got the VCAR Racing Bison V2. I mean, seriously expensive, I know, but this will just show you how the discounts work. So I'm going to now pop that into my cart, go to the cart again like we did before, and then no matter how many of those codes you've clicked, it will just list them here. So if I press that, it will list whatever ones can be applied to this actual product. So if there's 2 or 3 different ones, they will all come up like it did a second ago. If I press that, we've gone from $333 down to $268, which is just under £200, I think. They've got this daily deal going on, and they've done this before, and it works quite well, but you've got to be quick off the mark with getting it. This is basically, a Fitbit watch. It's awesome sort of training watch, and sort of does everything, I guess. So basically this started at $40, and they're giving 10 units away a day. So basically a third of the price we're looking at here, and it's 9 o'clock UTC daily. If you're number 11, you will then be offered it on a flash sale deal of $27.99. If you don't go for that, then January the 29th it will pop up to $32.99. So, and like I say, there'll be more of these coming out as well. So on to the giveaway then. So what we're going to give away this time, so it was really popular last year, and I think it's the best way to do a giveaway. I'm not saying I won't do other giveaways where I select them, but this is the one where you select the quad of your dreams up to $200. There's a link down in description, obviously, you know where to look now. That will take you through to this page, and if you know the quad you're after, then simply type it in here. So let's just put in Bugs 3, because that's, your dream quad is your Bugs 3. So you're just going to click on there, and then what you need to do is select the actual Bugs itself, the one you're after. Make sure it's under $200, otherwise you would just get disqualified from the giveaway. You need to Thumbs up on the video, please, if you would. That would be great. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And then what you need to do is copy this. So Control C, or you can right button press and then copy. And then you just need to put a comment down in the comments underneath the video, and then also this link needs to be pasted in there, so that's the actual product you would win if you're the lucky recipient. My granddaughter will be picking it. She has random ways of picking people who win. So this is the page my link will bring you to. Now, if you're not sure on what you want to look at, and you're new to it and you want to just have a look around, you can choose here a price range, or if you know what brand you want to go for, you could choose the brand down here. If it's FPV racing one, brushless or brushed, you choose what you want. This is the beauty of this prize. So if you want to look at the top end, you just simply press this one here and it will go from $100 to $200, and then you can go from high to low here. And that will start with the most expensive one coming down. Like I say, go in and pick the one you want, select it, copy it, and then paste it down in your comment below. This is a good way of starting the year, I hope. So thanks for joining me on this one, and I'll see you up in the air or on the next drive with the next review.